What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Toxic Rick from Fortnite. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start over on the left side at the very top. Just gonna work our way down towards the bottom of that circle. And just carefully bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. Bring that in, leaving a gap in between. Go around the outside. And then back up towards the top. Let's add in the bottom eyelid. Starting over on the left, draw a straight line coming across, and we'll just line this up on the right. And then in the center of each eye, we draw a small circle for the pupil, and then fill those in black. Now from here, we're going to work our way down towards the mouth. Let's start with the nose. We're going to start over on the left, curve down like a half oval, and then pull it back up on the right. And we'll add a fold underneath each eye. Starting back on the left, goes down, and then up. Do the exact same thing on the right side. Now let's draw in the mouth. We'll start over on the left side underneath the eye, curve down underneath the nose, and then pull it back up. And then we'll round out the side of the mouth. Curving around, and pulling that in. And I'll connect the ends with another curve. Coming down the middle, and bend that back up. And now we're going to add the top row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle, draw a half oval, coming down and up on the left. Do the same thing on the right. Add a couple more on either side. And now we'll draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting back in the middle, go up and then down towards the left and right side. And then again, we're just going to add a few more on either side. Let's add the tongue in behind the bottom row of teeth. Starting back on the left, just going to curve this up and then back down. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw in the cheeks. Let's start over on the left, curve the cheek going out, around the mouth, and just pull that in. And we'll line this up on the right, going out, down, and in. Now we connect the bottom of the cheeks with another curve. Starting out here on the left, curve this down, go around, and then just pull that up on the right. Now we're going to move back up to the top of the cheeks and draw the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step out, draw a straight line, going all the way up towards the top, go over towards the right, and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now we connect the ends with a curve. Curve up towards the top of the head, round this out, and then bring that back down. Now I'm going to place the eyebrow on top of the eyes, starting right in the middle. I'm just going to angle this up and out towards the left, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right, and then we'll round out the ends, curving around and then in. I'm just going to pull this back down and in towards the middle, and then go back up towards the right. Let's stick the ears along the side of the head. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going out and then back in. Now you want to surround the outside of the head with a series of spikes for the hair. From the middle, we step up. Let's start with a point. From here, we're going to angle up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Let's go back over toward the left side, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. And then on the right, we're going to add a drip. Curve down and then out. Round at the bottom, and then just pull that back up. Now at the bottom of that curve, draw a straight line coming down, just lining up with the left side. Let's add another point. Going back to the left, angle this up and out on both sides. Now from here, I'm just going to pull this down and in toward the side of the head. Let's add a few more points. Going back to the left, angle down and out. Pull it back down and in, just on top of the ears. and I'll add another point. We're just going to tuck this in behind the side of the ear. Now I'm going to add one more spike, starting back on the left, angle down and out. Just pull that back up and in towards the side of the cheek. Let's go back and add some drips across the hair. Starting from the top, I'm going to draw a half oval, coming down and then up, go over towards the left, draw another one. Let's go down towards the right side. Now I'm going to add a couple along the forehead on the left. Draw another U shape going up, and then add a smaller one right beside. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, draw a straight line going down towards the waist, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now we want to flare out the bottom of the coat, starting back on the left, curve this down, and then bend that out. Let's move back up and draw on the collar. From the top, step out, curve down and out towards the left and right side, and we'll add a drip. Curve this around and then up. And then from the bottom, angle down and out towards the side. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the inside edge of the coat. And we want to bring the coat up along the side of the body. Let's start back on the left, curve this in and up just beside the collar to right about there. And the same thing on the right side. Let's add in the shirt collar. From the top, curve down, then up. And then in the center of the body, we'll draw the belt. Going across with a straight line, step up, draw that twice, and then we'll add the buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the buckle, let's step down and add a curve, left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the toe. And then we'll go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting out here and curve up. Just going to bend this down on the inside. And then we'll just curve that back up toward the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go to the top of the foot and curve the outside of the leg. We're going to go up and then bend that in underneath the coat. Let's go to the inside, draw a straight line going across from the bottom edge of the hand. Now you want to show that the coat curves around the back of the legs. So you start back on the left, curve this down and in, behind the leg, go to the inside and draw a short curve going across. And now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left side, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist, go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw a fist on either side. So we're going to start with the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to go up, bend this down, round up the tip of the thumb, and pull that back up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And now we're going to curl three fingers on either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in, come down towards the bottom, draw another oval, tucking this up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's go back up to the top of the wrist and add the edge of the sleeve. We'll come down and then bend that out on both sides. And then from the bottom finger, curve the hand coming down and then in behind the sleeve. Now I'm going to wrap that sleeve underneath the hand. So starting down here, curve it out and then up. And then from that bottom point, curve the arm coming in and up behind the side of the body. Let's line this up on the right. And now we're gonna add some drips across the body. Let's start from the left arm, go that U shape, going up. Add a smaller one on the inside. Let's go over towards the right, go down and up. Now from the bottom, we're gonna add another one, coming down and then up. Let's add a couple along the inside of the body, on the top, and the bottom, and then a couple more on either side. Let's add one more on the right, and then a smaller one right beside it. And that's pretty much it. There's Toxic Rick from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.